In this tutorial, I will show you how to use JavaFX 16 with IntelliJ IDEA 2020.2. As we can see, JavaFX application is no longer there. So let's just name JavaFX project name, language Java build Maven JUnit. I'm using JDK 16.0.2. I will not use any dependencies. Finish. Basically, this project use Maven to build the project. Then the first thing you need to do is make sure you have JavaFX library. So here, import. Click. Here we can require libraries to module import Java. So here, Java module info. So we just add 3 lines of coding. So we can build a project. You don't have to import JavaFX library. Run it. As you can see, we have a simple JavaFX application now. So let's say if you change slightly, hello world, we use Java Scene Builder. You can open XML in Scene Builder. Then you can play with the label and then button. Especially we are going to have an event handler. Name it as on hello button click. Okay, you can name it whatever you want. So let me just use as it is. So let's go back to hello controller Java. Okay, unfold it. So let me add hello world. So it should look like a JavaFX hello world application. You can build, run it. So project title is changed, and then message changed to JavaFX hello world. So make sure you are using 2021.2, then things getting more simplified. Thank you.